Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about how your comfort zone is actually destroying your potential. We all love to live in our comfort zone because it feels safe and familiar. We know what we are doing and we don't have to struggle much. And that's why people often tend to choose easier path because people often tend to choose easier path instead of trying something new. But sometimes when you step out of your comfort zone, it gives you a lot of confidence, satisfaction, and even happiness. Let me give you a example from our own lives. During COVID, everything suddenly got changed to online mode. People got disturbed because of this. Students had to study from online, employee had to work from home, and people had to communicate with their colleagues on phone or using computers. So initially people felt very much difficult in adapting to this new change because earlier they were not used to do things like that, and suddenly they were pushed out of their comfort zone. But slowly and gradually people started to learn new things, adapt to the new environment, and once they got used to online work, then things become easier for them. Now people usually like to work from home. If you will ask, many people say that work from home is like a blessing for us because it saves time, reduces traveling, and it is also more flexible. So think about it. The same thing which was difficult initially and people were feeling uncomfortable in doing those works, now it becomes easier for them. This happens only because people were willing to adapt to the new situations. I would like to give you one more example from my own life. During COVID, I was pursuing my master's from Central University, which was 20 kilometers away from my home. So at that time, during first semester, everything was taught online. So I was little nervous when I studied from online class, and also things usually don't get into my mind. I felt that I had learned more when I attended this online classes physically. But when but after COVID, when I go back to my university and studied offline, actually I have to travel 20 kilometers away from my home every day, and then after I had to travel 2 kilometers inside the campus, and then I reached to my building. And after that I already got tired, and sometimes I feel like I couldn't understand the lecture and I couldn't observe all the everything at that time. Then I realized that how convenient online classes were. Initially online classes was difficult for me, and sometimes I don't understand what the professors were explaining, and I was also not used to studying through screen. That's why it was difficult for me. But now I realize that how convenient it was, because once you learn studying through online, it become easier for you to understand all the things. We often don't want to step out of our comfort zone because it feels difficult and we are afraid of mistakes and failure. But once you get out of your comfort zone, you can discover what you are capable of doing. And if you never get out of your comfort zone, you can never discover what you are capable of. We often choose easier path, but it is wrong. We have to fall we have to face the challenges in our life. I'm not saying that don't take rest and always keep yourself in uncomfortable situation. No, it's not like that. But sometimes we have to get out of your comfort zone so that we could achieve our goal. And we should always innovate ourselves, because sometimes what feels uncomfortable today can become comfort for tomorrow. I would like to share one more incident from the time when I was pursuing master's degree. One of my professor gave me two options. The one was to write CAT test, which was class assessment test, and the other option was to give a presentation in front of the entire class. So initially, I was I was thinking that I should give CAT, because I was at that time I was very introverted. Even today I am also introvert person. But then some of my friends encouraged me and insisted me to uh, give presentation in front of the whole class. Then somehow I gathered the courage and gave the presentation. Believe me, after the presentation was good, and even I got marks higher. And you know what, he was giving more marks to the student who preferred presentation rather than writing test, because I think he wanted to check that students are able to adapt to the new situations or not. Because at that time we were usually give a test, the CAT test. Has we become very used to of this CAT test. I think whole week we have to give CAT every day, so we become used to. But suddenly we have to change to presentation mode, then it was very difficult. But yes, after giving presentation I was feeling very nice, I was excited, even I was feeling proud of myself. And I thought that how easy it was. Why we often tend to choose easier path? Because giving presentation in front of the whole class is like it's a public speaking, and people usually afraid to speak in front of the public, because we have this stage fear. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. And please step out of your comfort zone, because once you step out of your comfort zone, you will realize that you are capable of doing much more than you thought. See you tomorrow in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.